Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this kind of background, or like this. And right now I'm going to be working on this one, but just in a different color of paper. So first of all, we're going to start off by getting your dye-based ink. And these are like really non-expensive. And then you just want to rub it around your paper. Like that. Just rub it around. Okay. Like that. Try to make little patterns. So it'll all look real. Okay. Like that. And then you're gonna get your marker. And I'm just using something and that it's paint. But you can use a permanent marker, a Sharpie. Okay. And then the long side, you're just get a ruler and just make signs. No matter they're not perfect. If they're not kind of perfect, they'll look more real nice. Okay. Draw some more little than the others. It's better to use a Sharpie because these kind of like a dark pink, and you get all like this up. Okay, but of course they'll take off. Continue drawing your lines. One more. You just want to draw some hand lines. One there, another there, and another there. Like that. Then you want to do another one, but that's in between. Then in between again. And then in between again. And these you want to make them handmade so they will look more realistic in the middle. You can put them kind of fast, but if you don't know how to draw this, just put pause or no. Okay, so that's it. Now you just want to do the little things that they have there. I don't really know what they're called. Okay, one more, and two more. Okay, and if you want more ink, you can just get it, and just pass it there, so it looks more realistic. Pass it on top of that. Okay, so I make it, and you want to do something darker so it looks the place darker so it looks more better. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.